going to use. For example, first I'll change the bed sheet. So the bed sheet should be up. Next I'll change the pillow cover, it should be down. Okay? And I'll place it. I'll hand sanitize, wear my gloves. Okay? First I need to remove the old bed sheet, right? So what will I do? I'll inform the patient and introduce myself. I'll tell them, hello, Mr. Jones, I'll be changing your bed sheet today, so I'd like you to cooperate with me. Okay, so this first I will roll the patient over. Now usually there is side rails. Okay, that will support the patient. Okay, make sure there is no wrinkles or creases on the bed because it can apply abnormal pressure on the body. Okay, and then I will make the patient lie down again. And I'll take the pillow cover. Okay, now when you are raising the person's head, you have to hold them here like that. Okay, lift them a bit up. One hand should go all the way across like that. Lift them, take the pillow cover and gently put them down. Again, I'm not supposed to wear a watch. Okay, and lift this head up like that. I'll place the pillow comfortably and place the pillow like that. Alright, yeah, you can put the top sheet like the blanket or something. So open up that.
Okay, after her hand, clean her chest.
You don't have to go, so when you clean the chest, okay, again you will go dip it in the water, squeeze it, go to another hand. Okay, first we finish the upper body. After that you will go to the lower body.
Now finish the inner side. Move to the other side.
So what you have to do, you have to make this into half, right? Just hold it like that and make this into half. Okay. Then this half I will send you to this and send it very small. Then you put the hand here. Put the very good. Back. Put him on his back again. On this side. Put the legs up. Okay, how will you do that? So always perform eye care first, right? You have to take swab, cotton swab, not alcohols, all caps. What you're supposed to do is you have to wipe the eyes of the patient from inside to the outside. Okay, you do it like that once. If there's still dirt, you either fold this, wipe it again, or you take another one and wipe it again. But do not. It should be to open the mouth and take the cotton and a sponge swab, put it in the mouth and clean the mouth. Okay, clean the mouth from all the sides. Clean the tongue, sides. Then you have to clean the palate also of the patient, right? You do this. After that, you have to wipe the mouth of the patient, just in case. Then this is a cotton swab. right? Why are we using this? To clean the nose. We have to moist this. Okay, moist this, and only the tip of the bud is supposed to enter inside the nose, and you have to rub it on the wall of the nose. Okay, like this is the wall, you have to rub it gently, and for each nostril I'll use a different one. Okay, then this is about the face care.
Face care.